Hello everyone, today I'm sharing a free, super simple fertilizer recipe that will give your plants a boost and help them grow faster and stronger. It's ideal for almost any plant in your garden or orchard, and the best part is that it's ready to use right away at the start of the growing season. This fertilizer is something I make every year, and it begins with fresh cow manure. You don't need anything fancy, just a container large enough to accommodate the number of plants you want to feed. The larger the container, the more plants you can accommodate. To make fertilizer, we'll need a container, fresh cow manure, and some water. The container's size will be determined by how much fertilizer you want to make. In general, fill 1/3 of the container with cow manure and the rest with water. Cover the container loosely with a lid to promote air circulation and prevent odors. But here's the catch. Fresh cow manure isn't ready for immediate use. It may contain weed seeds, pests, and high levels of ammonia, which can be toxic to plants. That is why we must allow it to undergo a process known as composting or aging. This entails allowing the manure to decompose over time, during which harmful substances degrade and beneficial nutrients become more available. This is where patience comes into play. We will let the mixture sit for about 7 days to allow it to compost. During this time, harmful substances such as ammonia evaporate, while beneficial nutrients become more concentrated and available to plants. This step is critical to ensuring that our fertilizer is safe and effective for use in the garden. After a week of waiting, our fertilizer is ready to be applied to the plants. However, we don't want to use it at full strength because it could be too potent and burn our plants. Instead, we'll dilute it with water, 1 part fertilizer to 10 parts water. This ensures that our plants get a gentle but nourishing dose of nutrients to help them grow and develop. So why is this homemade fertilizer so effective for our vegetable and fruit plants? Well, it's all about giving them the nutrients they need to thrive. Our fertilizer provides a well-rounded blend of nutrients, including potassium, phosphorus, and magnesium, that promotes healthy growth, improves fruit and flower production, and increases overall crop yields. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video will help you create a more productive and sustainable garden. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gardening information and tutorials.